Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. My name is Goodluck. In this video, I will walk you through on how to simplify this exponential expression given to us, and we will take it step by step. Watch through the end so that you'll be able to simplify this expression. It's simple. Let's dive into it. The first thing we do here is to express each term as a product of their factor, and that we have that this will be 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2y times 2 raised to the power of 2 bracket 2y minus 1. Also, the same thing happens to the denominator. We have that 2 times 3 squared raised to the power of y plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of y minus 1 times 3 times 2 squared raised to the power of 2y plus 1. Upon applying product power law on both the numerator and the denominator, we arrive at 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2y times 2 raised to the power of 4y minus 2. Everything will be divided by our denominator. 2 raised to the power of y plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 2 times 2 raised to the power of y minus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4y plus 2. Now at this point, what we do next is that if you look at the numerator and the denominator, we have 2 bases which are 2 and 3. So we group the bases that are the same. So therefore we have that this will be written as 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 3 times 2 raised to the power of 4y minus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2y times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 3. Everything will be divided by 2 raised to the power of y plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of y minus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4y plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. Now at this point, we have been able to group the bases, so we now use our multiplication law of indices to simplify the index. So if we apply the law, we have that 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 3 plus 4y minus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 2y plus 3, all divided by 2 raised to the power of y plus 1 plus y minus 1 plus 4y plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 2 plus 2y plus 1. At this point, we are going to add the index. are of similar terms. So we have that 2 raised to the power 2y plus 4y is 6y plus 1 times 2y plus 2y is 4y plus 3. So we have 4y plus 3 all divided by, at the denominator we have 2 raised to the power of 6y plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 4y plus 3. Now we have been able to simplify everything. At this point, we will now apply our division law. So we'll be having that 2 raised to the power of 6y plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of negative 6y minus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 4y plus 3 times 3 raised to the power of negative 4y minus 3. Now again, they are all expressed in a form where we can apply our multiplication law. So the terms that have the same base, we add their index. Upon adding the index, we will express it as 2 raised to the power of 6y plus 1 minus 6y minus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 4y plus 3 minus 4y minus 3. Now 6y and minus 6y we cancel out, plus 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So we have 2 raised to the power of negative 1 times 4y and negative 4y we cancel out, plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We have 3 raised to the power 0. But we know that 3 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we have 2 raised to the power negative 1 times 1. This can be written as 1 divided by 2 times 1, which is equal to 1 divided by 2. That is the answer. Congratulations. You were able to simplify that exponential expression. If you know you found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If there is any step we took that you don't understand, please drop your question at the comment section. Also, share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.